Right, Mr. Jonathan, what happening today?
Everything.
Everything. Right, we have a Houghton Park. This is round 3 of what is the name of the championship? What is the name?
One is Access Karting.
Access Karting. Here we go. Round 3 of Access Karting. We've done 2 practice sessions. So guys, hi everyone, this is me, Racing Wolf. This is Jonathan. Over there, Jamie, fixing tires. Over there, Mom as well, helping fix tires. And we're starting another video. As you can see, the one more member of family not here, but you remember last video, yeah? Don't worry, he is here. You're gonna see him definitely today. Not now, a bit later. Right, so what we have, round race 1, 2 and 3 and then finals.
Yeah.
So hopefully we're gonna have all finals, yeah?
Yeah. Like the last time.
Okay guys, very short intro, and I think Jamie gonna be first.
Yes.
Race 1, then Yui. So yeah guys, not long intro, just let's go straight into the race number 1. Are we completely on the wrong setups?
The fuel line had come out, so whether it was sucking in air, I don't know.
So that's why he came on. Right. Loads and loads of troubles with the go-karts as usually, guys. So we're gonna take you straight into the race number 2 because everyone is busy.
Your one.
Yeah, let's go into the race number 2. On the first one, my camera, battery gun, everything went wrong. So race number 2 should be okay. Let's go.
Well, if you was 20 mil with these on, right, that's 10 mil spacer that is. The undertaking 15 mil coming in.
What was it, the race 2? Why he came in?
Axle moved over.
Oh shit.
Brake seized on.
The nut.
How much you taking off at 15?
So there was loads and loads of problems, yeah?
Lots of problems. Well, I think we might have rectified them now. Fingers crossed.
How was the heat 2 for you? Because I've seen you started somewhere in the middle or even at the back.
I was started 15th.
15?
Yeah.
Where you moved to?
I went up to 7th.
Oh wow, that's a good one. Is that was a good start, or it was in general the race consistent?
I think it was more a race.
Race, yeah?
Midway through the race, but then.
So you have a pace?
Yeah, I've got pace, but I got held up like halfway through it, so.
Yeah, I could see that. So you stole the pace from your brother from lead? I'm joking, mate. Nice one. Heat number 3, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Good one. Where are you starting? Somewhere at the end?
12.
Not bad.
Yeah,
Not
so
bad.
Should go through forwards.
Well, let's see. Let's see. Nice one. Thank you, mate. Be free in the heat 3.
Yeah. Oh, no, heat 3, yeah.
Where was the secret of the speed?
He had understeer going into the corner, so he was losing.
It was too wide.
Yeah, so
because it's a new rims.
Yeah, exactly.
Karting, always write it down.
I know.
Always.
Well, maybe he's on track now. On the pace.
Oh, he has a good pace now. Yeah. Very good.
He's back to, he did 38.9 on
few more laps and he would be battling with the P1 and 2.
Yeah, exactly. They had a bad start because they went onto the grass at the start. There's loads of crashes, wasn't there?
Yeah.
So then they'd got away, but he reeled them. They were battling, weren't they? So he reeled them in. Consistent laps.
Nice one. Listen, who these guys Minor Park? This is your sponsors.
Minor Park, the auction house where we went to. That's Minor Park Classics.
What they doing? Tell me about them.
This is the classic car auction house. Interesting place. Good place. Stephen Ashworth, he also owns Ashworth Holdings.
Why they choose your boys?
Stephen knew the boys raced, and he said, I think it's fantastic what you do with your children. You do it on your own. And he said, how can I help you?
That's a good one.
You know,
That's a good
It's
one.
obviously kind of him to sponsor us episode.
Is that your first year you working with them?
Not
Yes.
that
Oh, last-
thing. Not that
No,
blue
no,
thing.
I'm
I
not
want
one.
I want the
Yeah, he helps out. He's helped out for 3 years now. And then he co-presented to Manipal Classics, and then Jed Mason from Awesome Talent. The guy who owns these two companies also is what Jed Mason sponsored us. So it's coming together. It's a bit of a difficult start after he was crashed a few weeks ago. But now I've actually dialed this thing back in again, and it's working.
On that auction, I've seen your boys one of the number 3 go-kart, and I've seen so many trophies. I wasn't thinking that they have so many trophies.
No, it's quite surprising.
Wow,
Come on.
that's a big one. How is the pace, mate? Much better? How are you feeling after your last race?
It was good, yeah. I was catching the front two, but 2 more laps.
Yeah, I think 2 more laps and you would catch them.
Yeah.
How are you feeling after the leads, mate?
The what?
After lead karting?
Oh yeah.
After your big
Oh yeah.
bang?
Yeah.
How are you feeling? You better?
Yeah, a lot better. It wasn't really too bad. Like, the crash was, but I didn't feel too bad, to be honest.
Oh really? Your dad said you wanted to restart the race.
Yeah.
Man, unbelievable. Okay, good luck in the finals. Where are you starting? Oh, you checking it now?
Yeah, they have. I'm starting 4th.
4th?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a very good one.
Yeah.
I mean, gonna be a bit messy. Keep out of the troubles. But you know what you're doing, mate. How was the last race?
It was alright.
You was fighting, but then that 2 guys, where they took that speed from?
Yeah, I know.
Because they was really catching, like they was really pushing, you know. But in general, heat 3. I mean, all the 3 heats you done today really good.
Yeah. I mean, I could have done better in that last heat, but...
Why you think so?
The cart just went off.
The kart,
Yeah.
the power or what?
A bit power and a bit of grip.
All right. Have you done anything, or you just?
I might as well just race on it. I'll just see what it's like. Because it might be better in the final.
I've got to take a selfie with you
Oh yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
because you're a legend.
Thank you, mate. Thank you. Right. Engine.
Yeah, he's going to dip back and he's going to pressure test it, try and work out why it's.
So you need to rebuild it, or what happened?
Don't know yet.
So it just stopped and that's it.
Yeah, just dipped up, lap back end locked, and back to the drawing board. It'll be one of those weekends.
Well, that means to the next round.
I think Jamie's possibly running 3rd or 4th in championship at the minute.
They both doing it.
Yeah. Now everything's falling into place a bit better.